Bakers, don't waste time buying chocolates anymore. Let me show you how to make your homemade white chocolates, your homemade milk chocolates, and your homemade dark chocolates as well. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to make your chocolates by yourself. Make sure you watch this video to the end and follow it to the latter. Now let's start with the milk chocolate. We are going to be needing 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. You put it in your blender cup. Put 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. To that, we are going to add that's the 4th tablespoon icing sugar. We're going to add 2 tablespoons milk, powdered milk, or any powdered milk of your choice will do. Now to that, we're going to add 4 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Right, so when we're adding the unsweetened cocoa powder now, and then to it we are going to add 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, melted coconut oil, please. So let's add the coconut oil now. Right, 2, and the third one. Right, so we're going to just blend this up together to get a puree. Make sure it's very smooth and well blended. This is not going to take time at all. Now you can see the consistency of the milk chocolate. You're going to use any mold of your choice, any mold, chocolate mold of your choice. Okay, let me use this one. So we are going to pipe it inside the mold, and then we are going to refrigerate this for about an hour to 2 hours. And once you are done refrigerating this, your homemade milk chocolate is ready. You do not have to buy from the stores anymore. You can just store this up in your pantry and make use of it anytime you so wish. Right, you can see this is after it has chilled properly. Our milk chocolate is ready. Right, so then let's head for the homemade white chocolate. How do you make your homemade white chocolate? You can use this for your chocolate drips. You can use this for your cookies. You can use this for so many things that you can use your chocolates for. So you really do not have to buy anymore. Now let's start with the homemade white chocolate. So we are going to add milk to this, 5 tablespoons of milk. And then to that, we are going to add 2 tablespoons of icing sugar. Yeah, so we're going to add 2 tablespoons icing sugar into that. And then we are going to add our coconut oil as well, 3 tablespoons of coconut oil. And we're going to follow the same steps and still go ahead and blend this up. Right, in no time, our homemade white chocolate is ready to go into the molds. As you will repeat the same process, you can use any mold, chocolate mold of your choice. Right, so we're going to pipe this into the mold. Still going to do the same procedure. We will refrigerate it for an hour or 2, and once we are done refrigerating this, our homemade white chocolate is ready. You can store this up in a tight container, airtight container, in your fridge, anywhere. Just keep it safe. Anytime you need it, you just bring it out and melt it. Voila, you have your homemade white chocolate. You can see how nice the consistency is. It can serve for drips. You can use it for so many things, right, guys? So now, having done this, let's refrigerate it and see the final outcome of this homemade white chocolate, shall we? So this is when I have refrigerated it, and this is what it looked like. Right, very nice. So let's bring them out, shall we? Now we're going to bring this out, and then we are going to head for the homemade dark chocolates. And this one is also pretty much very interesting. Now for the homemade dark chocolates, we are going to be adding some icing sugar and unsweetened cocoa powder as well. The icing sugar is going to be 4 tablespoons of icing sugar, and to that we are going to add about 6 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Yeah, so let's do that. Right, so that's when I've added the icing sugar. Now we're going to add 6 tablespoons of sweetened cocoa powder. Right, And then, as usual, we're going to add our coconut oil, melted coconut oil to this. We're still going to go ahead and then we blend this up. Please, if you find this video interesting and quite helpful, please kindly take a moment and click on the subscribe button, click on the notification bell icon so that you can get to watch more of my videos. Thank you so much as you do that. So having added the coconut oil, I'm going to blend this up again as usual into a puree, about 3 tablespoons of coconut oil, please. And then we're going to blend it up. Yeah, and then in no time we're going to have our homemade dark chocolate ready. You can see how smooth and how dark that looks. Can you see that? All right, so let's pipe this straight into our chocolate molds, and then as usual refrigerate this for about an hour to 2 hours. Right. So I do hope you love this video, and I do hope you're gonna give this a thumbs up and leave a comment in the comment box. And thank you so much for taking your time to watch this video to the end. And until next time, I'm Mama Rukayat. Please do have a lovely day. Yeah, and my chocolates, dark chocolates are ready.